in regard to some concern that's been expressed by the public as far as having potentially a judge conflict out of cases, what are your thoughts on that? Is that a real concern, and how much of a concern would that be?
So, our court system is plagued with backlogs. The coronavirus pandemic meant that we had, a year to a year and a half of backlogs that we're still working through. We need to get through all of those cases. We need to have cases dealt with quickly and efficiently. I think that we need to make sure that there's nothing that causes further backlogs in our system. Humboldt County needs to move forward with all the cases we have. Justice delayed is justice denied. And so anything that may potentially cause further delays, I do think is problematic.
Okay.
Yeah, so when anybody who's working, especially in a small rural community like ours, becomes judge, there are going to be conflicts in terms of cases that you've previously worked on. Obviously, working at the DA's office, I work on a number of different cases. The good news is that that first assignment working in family law would probably be for a couple years, and during that 2-year period or so, most of those cases would have already gone through the system, and so I don't believe that I would have any real ongoing conflicts that would cause any more backlogs.
I see. Okay, thank you. Thank you for clarifying that.
Yeah.
It's a nuanced issue
Yeah.
that the public is seldom aware
Yeah.
of until they end up in court.
And we do, and most of our judges now who have come from either private practice or the public defender's office have had those conflicts, and when that happens, they explain on the record that they have a conflict in a specific case, and then that case file gets sent to another judge.
Right. Yep.